Welcome to today's vlog, and we are in Bangalore, and I'm with Ashish and Prachi, two of my very close friends. Prachi has newly learned driving, so she's driving.
4 years now. What are you saying?
Okay, she's been driving for 3 years, but
4 years.
she's been driving for 4 years, but we are caught in Bangalore traffic. So I'm in Bangalore, and we'll be doing not travel vlogs, but food vlogs over here. So right now we are headed to Meghna Biryani, and then over the next few days, we will try out a few more places, and let's see how food is in Bangalore. This is Meghna Foods, which is basically Meghna Biryani. They've got some specials today, and let's go in and find a good place to sit where we can vlog quietly. This is the view from the seating area. This is the dining area. We have ordered Prachi's recommendations, and
Lemon chicken.
We've ordered food.
we've ordered food.
That's it.
That's it. And then when food arrives, we'll let you know what we've ordered. Nice.
Coming in your video.
Yes.
Please, you don't have to.
So this is lemon chicken, which we have ordered in starters.
It was never this spicy. Spicy है ना?
Very spicy.
कोई नहीं खाता क्या?
I don't eat spice. What about you guys?
Same. मुझे तो होता ही नहीं है.
ये सरप्राइजिंग कॉम्बिनेशन कैसे है? मतलब ये सब
It's a little spicy, but it's still good enough. It's got good. It's got like a lemon taste to it. I mean, obviously lemon chicken. How much would you rate this dish?
8 on 10.
Okay. Prachi?
Let me eat.
For me, this is 7 on 10. This is the main dish that I had come here to try. This is the Meghna special biryani. And the thing about this is, I've heard like mixed reviews. A lot of people like it, a lot of people don't. Now it's for me to taste. It comes with raita and salan. But let's go ahead. So let me just try out the rice.
सिमरन बस वही पोस्ट किया.
The rice is very flavorful. Tastes good.
How much would you rate?
8.5 out of 10.
Okay. We'll try this again when you're done eating.
Which one?
The entire plate.
So the food is done, and we ordered like a starter, a biryani, and a drink. The starter was a little spicy, lemon chicken. I would rate that 7 on 10. Biryani, when I initially tasted it, I would rate it 8 on 10. But as you eat the food, I think I liked it. So for me, it's a 9 on 10. How was the drink?
It was way too spicy. I had ordered a lemon ginger drink, but it was entirely a ginger drink. So while it was better for my cough throat, but I did not like it at all.
2 on 10. Fail.
Yeah, kind of.
Cool. But then overall, I think recommended. A lot of people don't like the biryani, but I definitely liked it. Did you like the biryani?
Yeah.
Biryani is
9 on 10.
biryani is recommended.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, and then let's go on to the next location. This is Glenn's Bakehouse at Sujapur Road, and we are here to try some desserts. And Prachi also had a meeting, and we needed a quiet place where we could take the meeting. They've got really nice desserts over here, very small cupcakes, and spread of pastries and cheesecakes over here. I'm really liking the small cupcakes and tarts, so we've ordered one each. The cupcakes are nice. Some of them taste really nice, but some of them are not. Some of them are basically okayish, but more or less, it's like a 3.5 on 5 for me. Glenn's is popularly known for its English breakfast and the bakery items, but you can give it a try. It's not as expensive as well, and good place to hang out. Right now we are at the RMC Eco World, which is a corporate space as well as a food park. So corporate park and a food park, and here we are to visit the Mongolia Bakery, which is one of the finest bakeries here in Bangalore, and it's very popular for its tres leches and banana pudding. I've been here previously once, and right now we are again here to try it out. So if you see, this is how it looks. There are a lot of restaurants on the ground floor, and the first floor up above it is the corporate spaces. So okay, my bad, not Mongolia, it's Magnolia, and it's a very popular and well-known bakery over here. And as far as you know, I'm expecting it to be a lot crowded. Here we are right outside Magnolia, and we came here a while ago, but it was too crowded, so we waited for some time until it got a little vacant so that I could vlog. But here you can see they have one Zomato restaurant awards for 23 and 25, and this is how the interior looks like. Not a huge space to dine in, but a lot of varieties of desserts that you're going to find over here. In fact, I have been on a sugar cut diet, but if I'm coming here and I'm not trying this, then it's going to be a sin. So we're going to take the banana pudding and the tres leches. We will take it back home, and I've gone and tried it. Banana pudding is A class, so is the tres leches. Both are highly recommended, and you should definitely try it out. That is Third Wave Coffee, and Third Wave is basically my favorite coffee place. So we are at Third Wave Coffee. That is because Ashish is hungry. Prachi is just accompanying us.
Food, I am hungry.
You're not hungry?
It was her idea to have food. I just accompanied.
Either of them, someone's idea.
We just like the.
But I am very
was
sleepy.
so he wanted coffee.
I am extremely sleepy, and I finally decided I should take some sugar and caffeine. So Third Wave is our go-to place.
Yes.
So I've been coming to Third Wave, like one of my favorite coffee places. So Mocha Choco Chip at Third Wave, should try it, and hopefully I'll get more active after I have the coffee. So what do we have over here? This is Mocha Choco Chip frappe. This is charcoal chicken.
Yeah, that's charcoal chicken croissant. This is
Chili chicken calzone. And that's paneer calzone. Paneer chili. How does
I feel
coffee
more
and
active.
sweet-
Oh yeah, instant energy.
let's go.
Let's go.
Sophisticated.
मेरे को चाहिए ना.
Okay.
Good. One of the best food coffees that I've had so far. I mean, it's Third Wave standard coffee that I usually.
I want to thank for introducing you to it.
Thank you, Prachi, for introducing me to Third Wave. But then we discovered it. I mean, I was there while we discovered it.
This option was mine. You took something else the
Yes.
first time we went.
Okay, agreed.
Is it better than what you find in Australia?
Australia, they don't take sugar.
No sugar at all.
No sugar at all. And it's all hot, nothing cold.
Healthy people.
But how about these?
Really good.
These are good.
Really good?
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
This I feel 3.5 on 5.
This is 4.5 on 5.
4.5 on 5. Nice. This is 5 on 5. Always try the Mocha Choco Chip. Good morning, and to be here on another day. I have Dave with me, who is a friend from college and then at work. And we are on our way to HSR for breakfast. Where are we going?
Bye-bye tiffins.
Popeye Tiffins. So we're at HSR and we have already reached Popeye Tiffins. It's on the other side of the road. Let's go in and see. So this is Popeye Tiffins, and this is what the outlet looks like. They have a stand-in dining space on the ground floor where you can take the food stand, eat, and then go. But if you want to dine in, there's one dining space upstairs as well where you can be seated. We've ordered idli and two ghee puri masala dosas. So the idlis are very soft and they are served with a coconut chutney, and then there's a sweet tamarind chutney, I believe, but it really goes well with it. Then we have the dosa, which comes with tomato chutney and the coconut chutney. It's also very crisp, tastes good. So for me, dosa and idli both are like a 4 on 5. How's the dosa? So we first went to Nagarjuna, but Nagarjuna had like 2-hour waiting line. So we came down to Sharif Bhai, which is a biryani spot, and that is also strongly recommended. In fact, I tried its soya chap biryani, which I really liked. So we've come here for the chicken biryani. It's not as crowded right now, but they have got good music playing, and they have a wide seating area as well. It seems they have also won quite a few awards. The place is slowly filling in. I think we are a little early for lunch. This is the masala soya chap, and this is the chicken biryani. So Zoya, how do you find the food over here?
Tomato, district, sweetie.
Not how did you find? How do you find the food?
Oh yeah.
Gen Z,
I didn't hear what you said.
How
I swear I didn't.
How do you find the food?
I like the food here, but I'd still, at the end of the day, choose Hyderabad over Bangalore food any day.
How do you rate the biryani over here?
Sharif had a rate 5 out of 5. I eat this biryani all the time.
How about the soya chap?
That I only suggested you to eat. You weren't even so keen on eating it.
So the biryani, I find it to be a 5 on 5, a must try. Soya chap, 3.75 out of 5.
Yeah.
But yeah, biryani is a must try. It's really nice.
What does it say?
So right now we are on our way to another restaurant called Thalasari, which is more of a breakfast joint, and I'm going there to try out some South Indian breakfast. Got Shikha with me, who is also a friend from Bhubaneswar, from school in fact, and she lives nearby and she's taking me over there. That's Thalasari's menu, and they're more of a Kerala cuisine, but that's also the most affordable menu that I've probably seen here in Bangalore so far. So let's see what we can order over here and try something new.
Hi.
Hi. So that's the first item, which is the masala dosa. Doesn't look as great.
Hi Krishna, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Where have you come from for breakfast?
Thanks for bringing me to Thalasari. And let me have the food, and then probably I'll give my review on how the food is.
Alright.
This is appam,
No videos from
and
here.
this one is idli appam. Idli appam is in fact like really nice and very fascinating. It has a nice texture to it. Appam is a regular plain dosa. The dosa was extremely average. Did not at all like it. It's like a 1 on a 5 for me. But the appam was good enough. Maybe a 3.5 on 5. But the idli appam was really nice. It's a 5 on 5. And that's all from today's vlog. I hope you liked it. Tried to do something different. I will keep trying to do something different every time. And hope you enjoyed the food. And I'll see you on another day in another vlog.